Before buying a compressed air duster, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options seem similar, but real users have some hidden complaints that could steer you the wrong way. Product number 1, Wolfbox MF50 Compressed Air Duster, priced at $40.48. The first thing that caught my eye was its crazy powerful turbofan that reaches up to 110,000 RPM. If you want a reliable tool for cleaning electronics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The MF50 effectively blasts away dust and debris from your gadgets. It's got 3 adjustable speed settings, so whether you're cleaning a delicate keyboard or a dusty desktop, you can customize the airflow. Plus, with over 40,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the short charging time of 3.5 hours. Here's the thing though, for a product that lasts up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, I think that's a fair trade-off. If you're someone who cleans often, the reusability makes it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative to disposable air cans. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable, as it weighs a bit more than some other options. Now, if the MF50's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fresmol Duster. Next up, we have the Fresmol Compressed Air Duster, available for $32.44. What stood out to me was its 3-gear adjustable airflow and maximum speed of 100,000 RPM. If you want a solid all-around cleaner, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The adjustable airflow lets you customize how much power you need for different tasks. Whether it's blowing out a computer fan or cleaning your car's interior, this duster can handle it. Plus, with a built-in 7,500 milliamp battery, you can get between 20 to 40 minutes of cleaning on a full charge, which is pretty impressive. However, a few users mentioned that the LED display can be a bit hard to read in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're using it indoors, it's really... Product number 3, Innovera Duster. Now let's talk about the Innovera Compressed Air Duster, which comes in packs of 6. While there's no listed price, it's popular for quick cleanups. The 10-ounce cans are designed to remove dust from hard-to-reach areas, making it a go-to for many users. If you want an affordable, straightforward option, this is worth a serious look. This duster is 100% ozone safe and moisture-free, meaning you can use it on a variety of equipment without worry. The removable straw helps with pinpoint cleaning, which is a game changer for tiny crevices in your tech. Plus, it's sold in bulk, so if you clean often, you won't be running out anytime soon. Now, some people found the cans to be less effective on larger dust buildups, but honestly, if you're just looking to maintain your electronics, this product is perfect. This is perfect for you if you prefer traditional aerosol dusters and need something reliable. Skip product number 4, Dust Off Falcon. Coming in next is the Falcon Compressed Gas Disposable Cleaning Duster, available in a pack of 3. This product is simple but effective and offers potent dust-removing power for any task, making it a solid buy for NA dollars. The 100% ozone-safe formula is a big plus. It's designed to be used in a variety of settings, from workstations to labs. Each can provides a strong blast of air for quick cleanups, which is exactly what you need when you're in a hurry. Plus, the bitterant added discourages inhalant abuse, which is an important safety feature. A drawback some users noted is that the cans can feel a bit small, especially if you have a lot of dust to tackle. However, if you need something that's easy to grab and go, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a convenient, no-fuss cleaning solution. Skip this one if you want something that's rechargeable, as these are disposable. Considering the convenience, it's priced fairly. Now, if you want something even more powerful, let's look at the final product on our list. Product number 5, Wolfbox MF100. Finally, we have the Wolfbox MF100 Electric Air Duster, priced at $79.72. This one caught my attention with its incredible speed of up to 150,000 RPM. If you want the highest performance for cleaning, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the MF100 is its impressive wind speed of 45 meters per second that makes dust removal a breeze. With 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, it's suitable for all sorts of cleaning tasks, from electronics to outdoor gear. Even better, it can be reused over 500 times, which is fantastic for the environment and your wallet. Plus, it only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge, giving you 100 minutes of runtime. Now, some users have pointed out that it's a bit heavier than they expected, which could make extended use tiring. But I think if you're after performance, that's a small trade-off for the power you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance cleaner that lasts. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight. For what it offers, it's definitely worth the investment.
So there you have it. We reviewed 5 great options for compressed air for electronics. The Wolfbox MF50 and MF100 offer impressive power, while the Fresmol gives you great versatility. If you're looking for something more traditional, the Innovera and Falcon options are solid too. No matter your need, there's something here for everyone.